Here's a quick look at how to play the fantastic Sam Fender song, Spit of You. For this song, you'll need to pop a capo on the 2nd fret of your guitar. So the song actually starts with a little 3-note pickup. We'll start with an open B string, followed by an open G, and then 7th fret on the D string. Then we're into our first chord, which is E add 11. So we've got first finger on the 5th fret of the A string, 3rd finger on 7th fret of the D, and then pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string. Also got an open G and an open high E string there. So I'm going to pick A and D strings and a little strum down. And go back to the A, pick high E, G, B. Put those two bits together. To another chord, which is an F sharp minor chord. Unfortunately, it's not a standard F sharp minor chord. It's quite a tricky grip, this one. So we've got 2nd finger on the 7th fret of the A string, 1st finger on the 5th fret of the D, and pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B, and we've got open G and open high E. We're only going to stay on this chord for one beat. We're going to pick A and D, then a little strum down. Okay, so the whole bar. To a D chord. It's the same shape as the first chord we played, but down 2 frets. So we've got 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the A, 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the D, and then pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B. Again, we've got the open G and B strings in there. So we're going to pick A and D, little strum down. Go back to A, pick high E, G and B. D, little strum down again. So them 3 beats. I'm going to pick A, high E, B, G. Okay, so the whole thing so far. To an F sharp minor 7 chord with a C sharp in the bass. Got 1st finger there on the 2nd fret of the A string, and the 3rd finger or the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E, whatever you find most comfortable. I actually tend to use the pinky finger for this chord because it's already down from the chord before on the same string, so it just slides down and stays in position. So A, G, little strum. And go back to the A, pick high E, B, So far for this bar we've got, we're going to play the same thing, but we're going to pick the low E, then the D string. So, the whole bar there. Then we go to a D add 9. You're probably familiar with this chord already. So we've got 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the A, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Also the open G and E strings again. I'm going to pick A string, D string, strum down. Then we're going to change the rhythm slightly here. After the A is picked again, we picked high E, but let it ring out. Then the B, but let it ring out as well. The last part of that D add 9 chord, we've got the open A string, followed by an up, down, up strum on the G and B strings. Then we've got open A string, hammer onto 2nd, play the D string open. So that last bar. Once you get in the hang of the riff, try playing along with the actual song. It's pretty quick, so you might want to turn the speed down just a little. If you're a fan of Sam's music and you want to learn more of his songs, check out this link here for a tutorial of 17 Going Under. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.